Oh! Masaya po super kasi it's been a long time since we had a concert na parang exclusively for fans. And ito na rin po, meron po kaming maraming new faces dito sa ML48. And we're so happy na finally nakapuan namin and nakilala niyo po sila. And super dami na rin namin nakita familiar faces and the new faces. So it touches our heart na parang until now, they are still supporting ML48.
That's true.
Can you share with us po yung experience niyo sa preparations and everything before the concert?
For preparations, it took us weeks to finalize everything, to fix the set lists. And we started training from morning until like afternoon.
Yeah.
And everybody adjusted their schedules because some of them are still going to school.
Yes.
Have work. Some of them are, they're really putting MNL48 first.
Yes, and seeing the fruits of our hard work really touches all the members' hearts. And I feel like na-feel rin yun ng mga audience namin. Yeah.
Question for Miss Dana. How does it feel to become the captain of the MNL48?
Of course, hindi ko pa talaga ina-expect na magiging co-captain ako. Pero I'll take this as privilege na makatulungan ko si Jamie na mag-handle yung ML48 ng mas maayos and of course, mas makikilala ng mga tao.
Yes, and can I just add to that na even if hindi pa captain si Ate Dana, siya talaga yung consultant ko itong mga first gen. Consultant. Kasi to those who do not know, I am their junior, so I'm from second generation. So kahit na-captain ako, I still consult my ates pag may big decisions. And they help me out. So I'm so happy to have you on board. Thank you.
Sa mga new batches naman, how was the experience on performing the first act and your first time performing on stage?
Ayun, Jen.
I'll be the representative of 5th Gen for tonight. Tonight's drama. Going back, it really feels surreal being able to perform and give our best for the very first time. We've been training for a lot of time already, weeks and weeks and weeks, days and days often. We can say that with the guidance of our senpais, the production team, the MNL48 management, we can say that we're very, very grateful and we did our very best for tonight. So,
Good luck, guys.
Yeah.
We're excited to be with you.
What's next for MNL48?
What's next for MNL48? We always say, lagi lang pong sulong pa kayo. So,
Got it.
Now, itong Gym Beyond, umpisa pa lang siya ng pagbalik ng mga live events of MNL48 kasi yun talaga yung core and heart of the group, maging idols you can meet. So, we really want to capitalize on live events like this para dumami pa ang MNLs. And of course, ma-share namin ang aming skills and talents with them in person live na.
Another question. What is the advice po ni Miss Abby na tumatak po sa inyo and how did you apply it dito po sa concert niyo?
Advice ni Ate. We call her Ate because
Yeah.
for us, she's an Ate figure. So I feel like the biggest advice that she gave was, Cole can answer.
One of the best advice. Kasi maraming advice si Ate Abby as managers. But one that stuck to me the most would be, no matter what happens, you have to stick to your beliefs. Stick to what you know and what your truth is. Because if hindi mo yun, kumbaga kung wala kang core values, it wouldn't show. You wouldn't be who you are right now. You wouldn't have your little spice and wala kang character.
Yes, and I also love how she's shared stories of MNL48's earlier days to inspire the newer generation. And you know, we had a lot of communication in between na, nung first generation ganito kami. And you know, as someone who witnessed that generation, kami naman yung magpapass on sa mga younger generation. And I feel like that's the purpose of having generations also in MNL48.
Okay na?
Nagkakahiyaan ko po ata.
Ayun,
tayo.
wala na.
Message nyo na lang sa mga fans nyo.
The stage.
So, hi ML Loves, thank you so much for supporting us. Na handito pa rin kayo hanggang ngayon. Sana hanggang dulo tayo, hanggang sumikat
sumikat or hanggang mas makilala or hanggang mas makilalan at mahalin ang kanta ng Emerald 48. Doon tayo papunta. Pasulong paharap!
Dito.
Thank you so much, Emma Love, for sticking us through thick and thin.
Kasama po yun sa transcript.
Kasi Emma Loves, there wouldn't be Emma 48 without you guys. Without you guys, parang there wouldn't be first gens to fifth gens. Kasi kayo ang aming inspiration sa buhay na mag-proceed and magpakahirap always to achieve our dreams. Like, dream naman natin pareho na umangat ng Emma 48, makilala at mamahalin mo.
Yes, kaya nga Dream Beyond kasi they support our dreams to go beyond.
At saka marami pa po silang aabangan sa MNL 48.
Yeah, that's true, ate.
Thank you po. Congrats.
Okay lang photo.
But today, God gave me this opportunity. And of course, the management, thank you so much for trusting me na magiging kasama ni Jamie. Kasi, kasi before, alam niyo naman, na akala ko nag-i-stay lang ako dahil sa friends ko. But one by one, they left. Iniwan na ako. Wala na first chance, kaya nandito na. Pero ngayon, siguro may ibang story tayo ngayon na hindi pala ako nag-i-stay dati dahil sa mga kaibigan ko. Hindi yun yung isang rason para mag-stay ako. Yun pala, meron pang purpose si God para sa akin sa ML 48. And thank you so much for your... Pero pinapangako ko sa inyo, ML Loves, na gagawin ko yung best ko with all my heart para makilala tong grupo na to. Kasi that is good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy. Let's pray for the best and gagawin namin